amazing returns. We just hit 465% profit on the last 48 hours. We buy before the pump and sell up high. That's the reason I share my trades in the private list. Trades I share in the private list were DOGGO, Treecle, Polinate, Altcoin Protocol, Bitcoin Cash, and BWARE. Guys, in order to find those pumps, my software calculate volume spike plus buyer power. We only jump in trades where the buyers will control the market. First trade recap is Treecle. I shared this trade in the private list yesterday. We bought this coin for 0.0004. Put a seller up here, daily resistance 0.0012. I made 230% profit. Next trade recap, it's BWARE. I shared this trade in the private list on 24. We bought this coin for 65 cents. Put a seller up here, daily resistance $1.40. Okay, 100% profit, $10,000. If you'd like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Thanks for your time.